Hello student. As we know that this world consisting the great variety of animals, they may be the microscopic animals or huge animals like an elephant or human being. So they may be the simple form to the complex form. So this variety of animals are placed in the specific category of taxonomy that is in kingdom system. So in this kingdom system, we study the different kinds of animal. So basically, in kingdom Animalia, we study the all types of animal. They may be the microscopic animal, or they may be the complex animals like a human being or mammals. So in this lectures, we're talking about the phylums and kingdom classification of animal and their basic characters and their some examples. So let's start today's lecture that is kingdom Animalia. So, first of all, let's see some basic characters of Kingdom Animalia on the basis of their characteristic, their classification are based. So basically, Kingdom Animalia consists the simplest to complex form of animal. So there may be microscopic simple form animals like amoeba with single cell animal, or they may be complex like mammals like human being. So they may be from simple to complex. Second one, they are eukaryotic. Eukaryotic means they having the true nucleus, true cell nucleus. So the kingdom Animalia animals fauna consisting the true nucleus. Also, they are multicellular in nature. And third, next one that is cell wall is absent. Basically, cell wall is made up of cellulose which is present in the kingdom Plantae. So it is a basic character of kingdom Plantae, but cell wall is absent in kingdom Animalia. So animals doesn't contain the cell wall. And last one, their mode of nutrition. Basically, kingdom Animalia animals they may be the parasitic, heterotrophic, or saprophytic. So basically we can say that they gain their nutrition from other sources. They cannot or they unable to prepare their own food material. So basically they are heterotrophic in nature of mode of nutrition. So these are the basic simple characteristics of the kingdom Animalia. So this animal classification of animals given by the various authors. So, in fundamentals of systematic lectures, we study the all types of classification: two kingdom classification, three kingdom classification, four kingdom classification, five kingdom classification, and different types of classification we are studied. So, this classification which followed is based on the classification proposed by the Millikston PA in 1972. So, in this classification, only large groups have been taken into the consideration of the classification of animals. This classification of animal depend on their characteristic, major characteristics and their number of species. So, let's see the major groups in animal classification. So, kingdom Animalia is a group of animal kingdom. It containing the all fauna of animals in this classification. This kingdom Animalia divided into two subkingdom, that is kingdom Protozoa, subkingdom Protozoa, and second one subkingdom Metazoa. Then this subkingdom Protozoa consisting one phylum, that is phylum Protozoa. So we can say that phylum Protozoa belongs to subkingdom Protozoa, and subkingdom Metazoa divided into three branches of classification, that is branch first Mesozoa, branch second Parazoa, and branch third Humetozoa, where the branch first Mesozoa consisting the one phylum which is known as Mesozoa. Branch second also consisting one phylum, that is phylum Porifera, and branch third, that is Humetozoa, then divided into the two grades. So grade first is Radiata and grade second is Bilateria, where it depend this grade are divided on the basis of their symmetry. So this great first radiata divided into two phylum, that is Nidaria, which is also known as Coelenterata, and Ctenophora, where grade sorry grade second Bilateria divided into two division, that is division A Protostomia and division B Deuterostomia. So division A Protostomia divided into three subdivision, that is subdivision A Acylometa, subdivision second Pseudocylometa, and subdivision 3 Cylometa, where division A consisting the superphylum and other phylums. First of all, subdivision 1 Acylometa, which consisting one superphylum, that is Acylometa, in which we having two phylum, that is Platyhelminthes and Nemertinia. Second division, that is second subdivision Pseudocylometa, consisting the phylums, that is Acanthocephala, then Entoprotecta, Aschelminthes, Rotifera, Gastrotricheca, Kyno- Kynorthicasa, Nematoda, Nematomorpha. So these are belong to subdivision Pseudocylometa, where subdivision 3 Cylometa consisting the other phylum, superphylum 1, that is Inarticulata, and superphylum Articulata, where in superphylum Inarticulata consisting phylum Prepalpillida, Simplecillida, Mollusca, Echinoderida, where second one, that is superphylum Articulata, so in which we can say that the other phylum such as Annelida, Triangulata, Onchiophora, Pentastomida, and Arthropoda belong to the subdivision Coelometa. So division B Deuterostomia consisting one superphylum, that is Tentaculata, so which consisting the other phylums such as Phoronida, Ectoprotecta or Bryziona, Branchipoda, Echinodermata, Chimetogatha, Pogonophora, Hemichordata, and Chordata. So this is the kingdom Animalia classification, which belong to their classes of classification depend on their basic characteristics. So in next lecture we talking about the all the characteristics of these phylums belong to their division, their subkingdom and their branches. So that is for today. Thank you.